been a dreamer, followed visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lights of a soul and make it my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. As rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stopped and I remember I have you to save my day. Often my imagination has me reaching out too far. When I felt you were there with your hand in the air, you knew from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day. Detang korda po, tisunata nga dua nga kinansyon mi, tayo ngunakat.
Ano yung munan?
Daita ke Danisong kan?
Danisong nga, Simply Jesse.
Simply Jesse kaya mo. Kita man medyo na yung awan abasit. May sabi apo nga sonata ididikada si Tenta.
Testing. When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were just happy times, and not so long ago, how I'd wondered where they'd gone. Back then, back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa, still shine. But cuties, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. She'll be the one. Looking back on how it was years gone by, makes the day seem rather sad. So much has changed.
Kaya come on. It was songs of love that I would sing today, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt for years away.
Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa, still shines.
All the cuties but cuties.
Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can't even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every word still shines.
Cuties but cuties.
Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every word still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine.
Awak muda nda may isa nga birbiro ka kun.
Ano?
Iso nga madi nga na isa rono nga dagos. Ayan, bumasa ka pa'y balong. Kadagiti maudin nga pangablaaw. Ta, this is lang nga na po nga minutos. Kasagbayan iti alas. 13 malam. Kat deta na po ti panawat na pumakatan. So, naman mapay kayam ta.
Napay.
Duwatan
DJ.
lupin.
Babati nga po kaming nakikinig sa inyo dito sa Robinson's Place, Santiago City. Laging nagbabaka sakali na manalo ng load.
Aba, ganun lang. Oo.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from your listeners Gerald, Pedro, Romeo, and Aljon.
Off.
Robinson's Place, Santiago City. Di mo niya nga stall.
Baka dito mo igid ti Robinson.
Iwan niya. Babati
Just
kami.
kidding apo nga maapo nagaduti makamamu kada kami dito no mapang kami ti Robinson kata adala ta mangguyod. Pa picture man pa picture kung kunada ta. Di ba?
Babati kami man dito Ramon request ko jay. Love Remains. Kuna naman. Malagib ko man ti The Carpenters kadagita kan kantan nyo. No ti Tagalog ang Carpentero. Ni Pilipino mo ti James Taylor. Siguro tinagan na kat Jaime Sastre.
Wan.
Ni Kat Stevens ket Pusa Esteban. Tila da Sir Emil.
Hindi, nasa kanya ng Tito Vic and Joey di album da kita nga talaga. Kita nga joke kamum ka ni Kame ka Emil ka kapanawan na kita Tito Vic. Kabas nan sa ni Vic Soto ka. No sa kagkam
Aya, mga idol pakablaw man dito naktagig Metro Manila from Cindy Maricel Armero. Background.
Agor ka, birbiro ko ngoro dito Pasko ngoro di kadi.
Pakablaw man dito Pasukin the Villa. Ano yung banda jay? The Villa.
Pasukin.
Tarlac? Ay. Pasukin Ben sa Tarlac?
Wan.
Aya. Merry Christmas FDD. Buong karuba from Antesana Castillo, Santiago of Bologna, Italy. Ay, busy ti tao. Prepare. Kaya ba si Tegbuya? No pekas tao. Happy Christmas to all FDD. God bless. From Graciela Yamongan.
Wan, apo, amo may detang oresi kami kat pinilit miti imay dito itata ta ato kumate mo obra agtudtudok kami kumamot ti barbecue di walay ngam nagpakada kami. Aha, mabiitlaan ko namin ta. Hangami mapanawan iti kinado mo tagwid nga kada.
Lagay nag-text kanyak.
Ah,
Boy, gumatang ka kano ti pang bisokol.
kada lang arot intud ko kanyamon nga
Wan
maso.
ngam limlima. Patas sa tagumatang ti may sa karton damdama.
Anda J. Robinson ata, Shurax.
Eji handiman.
Handiman.
Chorere.
Chururut, chut, chut. Ilocos, Jai, pasukin ko na gayang.
Wan Ilocos, si Kamot.
Aya, Sir Embel. Nebanggal daw yung karuba, kan naragsa nga Paskuyo, nagmayat nga talaga ti Samiweng yon. Rakis ka man dya, Aguinaldo. Agyaman karuba. Urayak man, kuna naman. Sa ata di birbiro kan?
Madi.
Aji may isang nga original.
Wan. Anyway, dahito yun na puti ka nito mga sa paan tati pumakada, taano makapailigpit tati gamit, kasjay.
Mabalin mo.
Ngaro, dahito yun na puti ka nito pumakada kami, kada ito timano yung June Seriales.
Ken ka na kanyo dyan, Mark Pastor, operator.
Anta kami ito na po next week, same time, same station, Sweet Radio 97.7.
Santiago City, Nagsam 8.
Ayan, of course, with our program.
Adda kami manen.
Ket next week, adda kami tumanen, ket itidmin na po timauding sunata. Agyaman kami, adda yung Merry Christmas, everyone.
And a Happy New Year.
Two pearls suddenly appear every time you are near.
Just like me, belong to me, close to you.
Dear Kuya Emil, manipot iti mapaspasak iti jokes mo. Napukawan ti panunot ko. Diyak ang muno pagbirokak, kat na mabirokak tupay, ti simbeng ti panunot ko. Ngimuray no kasa, dahil ito nga sonata, mangipatuyak-yak nga masapul kunti, mangrugi manan. We've only just begun kunana.
By Daang Karpentero.
Dagiti karpentero nga pa na. We've only just begun to live. White lace and promises, a kiss for luck and we're on our way.
We've only begun.
For the rising sun we fly. So many roads to choose. We started walking and learned to run.
And yes, we've just begun. Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way, talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together.
And when the evening comes, we fly. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow.
Sila makatortoro bilang.
And yes, we've just begun. Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way, talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together, together.
And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow.
Yes, we've just begun.
We've only just begun. And with that, we would like to say thank you, goodbye, God bless, and a Merry Christmas, everyone.
From the 4-Decade Duo.
From the 4-Decade Duo with your manong June Seriales.
And of course, John Mark Pastor, operator.
Again, karuba, Merry
Merry Christmas.
Christmas!
Sweet!